Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Ollie. And you?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, Ollie.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from Los Angeles. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies. How about you?
I like to play football and listen to music.
That's great. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to draw and paint. I'm learning to play the guitar too.
Wow, you're talented. I can barely draw a straight line.
Ha ha ha, it's not that hard. Maybe I can teach you sometime.
That would be great. So, what do you do for work?
I'm a student. I'm studying engineering. How about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach English to young kids.
That's wonderful. You must be very patient.
Yeah, it can be challenging, but I enjoy it. What kind of music do you like listening to?
I like all kinds, but mostly rock and pop. How about you?
I'm more of a classical music fan. I love the piano.
That's cool. I've always wanted to learn piano. Maybe I'll start taking lessons.
That's a great idea. It's never too late to learn.
So, what do you like to read? Fiction or nonfiction?
I like both, but I prefer fiction. I love getting lost in a good story.
I'm more of a nonfiction fan myself, that I like learning new things.
That's great. There's always something new to learn.
Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Not yet. What about you?
I'm thinking of going to a football game with some friends. Want to join us?
Thanks for the invite, but I think I'll pass. I'm not really into sports.
No worries. Maybe some other time then.
Yeah, definitely. It was great talking to you.
Likewise, Sarah. Let's catch up again soon.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.